Mathematical practice number 2 is being able to break apart a problem and show it with symbols and numbers. And this involves two processes, decontextualizing and contextualizing. With decontextualizing, you're given a problem and you need to break it apart, pull out the important numbers, and put them together using symbols. So let's take a look at this problem in front of us. 17 rhinos were looking for a home. Mrs. Whitaker decided to adopt them all and let them live at her house. I know, crazy lady, right? Meanwhile, Mr. Whitaker also adopted rhinos. He brought home 85. How many rhinos do Mr. and Mrs. Whitaker now have living at their gigantic house? I know that Mrs. Whitaker had 17 rhinos. I know that her husband brought home 85 more. How many do they have at their house now? Well, that's a giant question mark. So I'm going to turn this into a problem. 17 plus 85 equals giant question mark. When I'm contextualizing, I'm given an equation, like in this instance, 17 plus 85 equals giant question mark, and I can think back to the actual problem itself. There were 17 rhinos that Miss Whitaker brought home. Mr. Whitaker added 85, and now I'm trying to figure out how many total rhinos there are. Now I'm going to go ahead and solve the problem. By my calculations, 17 plus 85 equals Mrs. Whitaker is crazy. Is that what you got? Then you were absolutely right. Okay, just kidding. 17 plus 85 should actually be 102. And that's mathematical practice too. Being able to break apart a problem and show it with symbols and numbers using both contextualizing and decontextualizing.